It's a beautiful Saturday evening here in the Philippines and gusto ko lang batiin yung mga nanonood dyan sa US, sa Canada, and other parts of the world, especially dyan sa west side of the globe. Magandang gabi or araw sa inyo at ipepresent natin ngayon yung most affordable reopened lots very near Nuvali and Paseo at only 33,000 per square meter. So we know naman na kapag nasa heart ng Greenfield at Nuvali area sa Santa Rosa, nasa 45 to 50,000 per square meter na. Pero dito, 10 minutes away lang from Paseo and Nuvali area, makakakuha ka ng lote at 33,000 per square meter, and at the same time, ang down payment is at 4 years for 0% interest for as low as 25,000 pesos per month. So imagine niyo. So Laguna Bel Air, guys, actually matagal na talaga siyang project dito sa area. So ito ay developed by Empire East, and with that same developer, nakabili ako ng lote sa kanila. No, dito lang din sa area. 4 years to pay lang din ang down payment. Last year, yon guys, no, nakuha ko siya at 29,000 pesos per square meter. Pero ngayon ang market value na niya is at 40,000 pesos per square meter na huhulog lang ako ng maliit na amount monthly, no? Pero nagpa-profit yung lote ko. Kung gusto ko man i-flip, hindi ko siya bayaran in cash. Pero mapepresyohan ko na siya ng maganda. So guys, no, if you are into finding a lot for your retirement, no, gusto nyo lang i-lock in yung price ngayon pero ayaw nyo magbayad in cash, bagay na bagay ito sa inyo. Kasi at 4 years, 0%, bukod sa fixed monthly down payment na mababa lang naman, you have the chance na mag-advance payment para nababawas na after 4 years, yun yung ilo-loan nyo sa bank or pwede nyo i-pay in cash. So guys, no, marami tayong pwedeng i-strategize lalo na kapag nasa pre-selling term. So if you are into flipping business or naghahanap ng retirement home, I think Laguna Bel Air reopened lots would be the best choice for you. Before we proceed to my top 5 recommended lots available in Laguna Bel Air, I want you to introduce kung ano yung itsura ng community. So pagpasok natin, no, meron siya talagang main gate. And then at the same time, meron siyang gate per phase. So as you can see, guys, no, very secured, mid to high ang community, and at the same time, no, yung amenities niya, may pool, merong Laguna Bel Air School sa loob, and at the same time, if makikita nyo, American theme yung design, no? Since medyo nauna na nga tong project dati, if nakikita nyo, no, sa community niya, usual na American house yung design. Pero yung mga bagong nagpapagawa ngayon, modern na yung design, basta touch of American theme, okay lang naman yun sa subdivision. So, hindi naman sila ganun kahigpit na dapat ito yung kulay, na dapat yung traditional American home. So, meron ka pa rin pwedeng tweak, no, sa gagawin mong exterior design. But for the interior layout, you have the complete freedom. And nakikita nyo naman, no, hindi naman ganun kasikip, no, malalapad yung kalsada. So, guys, start na tayo, no, for our top 5 recommended lots here in the area. First lot recommendation would be at Block 35, Lot 7 with 144 square meter lot area at only 4.7 million pesos. So makikita nyo sa mapa kung saan yung pwesto niya, and from the gate, no, ang maganda naman dito, hindi naman ganun kalayuan yung mga lote dito sa area. So pangatlo siya from the corner, and makikita nyo, guys, no, yung kung gaano siya kalapad. So from this point up until to that point, so that is Block 35, Lot 7 at 144 square meters. And again, no, tignan nyo yung view. So if, as you can see, no, maluwag naman, maaliwalas naman yung view kasi like other lot developments, usually kahit mga 10 years nang nakatayo yung lot developers, hindi naman lahat nagpapatayo agad ng bahay. So naghihintay lang itaas yung presyo para i-flip, or yung iba pang retirement lang talaga na matagal pang papatayuan. So as you can see on the surrounding area, maaliwalas siya, no? And yeah, ang ganda ng ano na to. Ang ganda ng cut niya, no? So again, 144 square meters, Block 35, Lot 7. Our second and third lot recommendations, pagsasabayin ko na dahil dalawang magkatabing lote sila, guys, no? This is in Block 35 Lot 8, 132 square meters for 4.3 million pesos, and Block 35 Lot 10, 149 square meters for 4.9 million pesos. So again, makikita nyo agad siya sa mapa, no? Kung nasan yung entrance at paano pumunta sa dalawang magkatabi na lote na ito. So guys, if gusto nyo ng 2 adjacent lots para mas malapad yung frontage, no? Mas maganda dahil mas malapad yung magiging gate ninyo or yung magiging harap ng kabahayan ninyo, this is your perfect lot, no? So if I'm not mistaken, total niya agad is 281 square meters. So again, no, this is our second and third lot recommendations. Block 35 Lot 8, 132 square meters for 4.3 million. Block 35 Lot 10, 149 square meters for 4.9 million pesos. And guys, makikita nyo naman, no? As you can see, ito yung surrounding area, the 360-degree view. So, maaliwalas pa din siya. And ang maganda kasi, kapag may theme yung community, hindi mo kang chop suey tignan na iba-iba yung house. Merong color green, merong color black. So, kapag regulated siya, dun ko naman na-appreciate, no? Na, oy, kaya pala may theme kasi pinapangalagaan nila yung exclusivity and uniformity ng community. So, dahil magkatabi sila, ito yung bibigyan namin kayo ng line, no, para ma-visualize nyo sa camera. Ito yung Block 35 Lot 8, ito yung frontage ng 132, and ito naman yung Block 35 Lot 10 frontages, which is at 149 square meters. So, ang ating pang-apat na lot recommendation would be at Block 33 Lot 6 with a size of 140 square meters for only 4.6 million pesos. So, pangatlo siya mula sa corner lot. So, again, no, makikita nyo dito, no, yung surrounding area, meron na siyang halos mga katapat na bahay, no? May mga katabing bahay na siya. And again, no, kahit inner lots, mapapansin nyo rin naman sa kalsada, no, maluwag pa din siya, and ang ganda lang ng itsura ng community na maaliwalas, airy, and fresh. Well, in general, ganito naman talaga yung Santa Rosa community. So, from that line to the end of the line, ito yung frontage nitong 140 square meters at only 4.6 million pesos. And sa mapa naman guys, no, ganito yung itsura or hugis niya sa mapa. And from the entrance, no, ito naman yung way para makapunta dito sa lote na ito. So I hope guys na-appreciate nyo, no, yung pag-flash ko sa mga mapa para makita nyo mismo kung ano yung itsura ng shape ng lote na ino-offer natin. And for our fifth lot recommendation, again, this is also a 140 square meter, nagkaiba lang ng pwesto, pero this is at Block 26 Lot 96 at only 4.6 million pesos. So from the map, ito yung entrance gate, ito siya kung paano pumunta, and ito yung hugis niya. So, yung mga nirecommend ko naman sa inyo in general, no, mga regular yung hugis ng lote. And kung napapansin nyo, naglalaro lang siya from around 130 to 144 square meters. So, I hope guys, no, na-appreciate nyo itong bagong perspective natin, no, dahil dati, since familiar naman na kayo, lalo na pag nanonood kayo ng video ko kung ano itsura ng surrounding area, might as well ipakita ko sa inyo sa mapa mismo, not just yung video ng pinakalote, para ma-familiarize na kayo na, oy, ganito pala yung hugis niya. Nakita nyo naman dito, no, itong 140 square meter, ito yung frontage niya from this line, point up to this point. So, ayan yung pinaka-frontage niya. Pero, from the top view of the lot, ito yung hugis niya. So, I hope guys, no, mas nagkaroon kayo ng familiarity dito sa top 5 most recommended lots natin. Meron pa namang iba na hindi ko na-cover, but this is just me presenting to you my top 5 best recommendations na available dito sa Laguna Bel Air Phase 4 reopened lot. So, bakit ba siya reopen? Baka nagtatanong kayo. So, reopen siya guys, no? Unfortunately, nung nagka-pandemic, dahil nga stretch down payment term, usually kasi ang mga nagkumuha sa atin is yung mga, usually mga seaman, hindi na nakasampa. So, unfortunately, hindi na nila naituloy. Kaya nag-reopen lang. Pero napakatagal na talagang sold out nito. Dahil nga napakaganda nung down payment term. And para mas magka-idea naman kayo kung ano yung itsura or laki ng bahay per lot. Kasi ngayon, blanco lang eh. Jaire, 140 square meter to, pero gaano ba kalaki yung lote na pwede nyong matayo? So, may ipa-flash kami sa screen ng mga houses, no? And kung ano yung size ng kinatatayuan niya na lote. And before we end the video, we will flash the sample complete computation on the screen para magkaroon na talaga kayo ng total familiarity on how that 4 years to pay down payment works and ano ang mangyayari sa balanse. So as you can see on the screen, the sample lot is 144 square meter regular lot cut. And the price per square meter, 33,000 pesos. Ang lot price niya is at 4,752,000 pesos. And may 10% less promo discount na 475,200. So ang magiging net of lot price na lang is at 4,276,800. Ngayon, ipepresent na rin namin para walang nagiging hidden. Nagiging hidden lang naman sa computation kapag hindi na didiscuss lahat. So from 4.2 million, i-add na natin yung 12% value added tax na nasa 513,000. So yung net selling price natin would be at 4,790,016 pesos. So from that net selling price of 4,790,016, 20% of that will be allotted sa down payment, So nandito na tayo sa terms of payment. For example, nag-reserve tayo ng 20,000 pesos. For example, that's September 20, yung date of reservation natin of 20,000 pesos. October 20, magsisimula yung 5% outright mo, which is only at 239,500.80. And then after that, magsisimula yung monthly amortization mo for the first 2 years, 25,000 pesos, and for the next 2 years, 30,000 pesos. So again, in general, for the course of 4 years at 0% interest, nasa 25 to 30,000 pesos per month lang talaga tayo. And kailangan lang every anniversary, ibig sabihin on top of the 25 to 30,000 pesos, on the 12, 24, 36, and 48 month, magla-lump sum lang tayo ng 1.5%, which is at only 71,850 pesos. So, after 4 years na 0% interest, may maiiwan pa tayong balanse na 2.9 million, or for this computation, 2,943,114 plus yung nakikita niya sa dulo na 7% miscellaneous or other fees, nakasabay nung balanse after 48 or 4 years, which is at 332,640. Ito ay pwede nating i-loan sa bank or bayaran natin in cash. Pero tuturuan ko kayo ng strategy, guys, para mas lumiit yung balanse na pwede nyo i-loan or bayaran nyo in cash after 4 years or 48 months. On top of your fixed monthly down payment for 4 years, kasi sayang naman 0% interest pwede kayong mag-advance payment from time to time, at kung magkano yung mga ina-advance payment nyo from time to time, mababawas yun sa 80% balance ninyo. So baka nga after 4 years, sobrang liit na lang ng ilo-loan nyo na pwede nyo nang i-pay in cash, or baka nga kung masipag kayo na mag-advance payment for the course of 4 years, wala nang maiwan na balanse sa inyo. So, hindi lang kayo bumili ng property, binili nyo pa yung oras at flexibility dahil marami tayong pwedeng i-strategize, para ma-maximize natin yung 0% na 4 years to pay down payment. So again, guys, this is Laguna Bel Air Phase 4 only here in Santa Rosa City, Laguna, only 10 minutes away from the heart of Paseo Nuvali area. So guys, if gusto nyo ma-replicate kung ano yung naging market value appreciation ng investment ko with this same developer dahil na-maximize ko yung 4 years to pay at 0% interest, imagine from 29,000 per square meter, ngayon 40,000 per square meter na dun sa isang lot project nila. So, more likely, ganito rin, of course, yung nangyayari kay Bel Air ngayon. Again, this is only reopened lots and you only need 25,000 peso reservation for you to lock in the price at ma-hold sa inyo yung lote. For inquiries, guys, I have Facebook page, The Property Geek. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel, The Property Geek, TikTok account, The Property Geek. If you want to personally message me, my personal Facebook account is Jaire Valerio Mamaklay. And also, I am available at my local number, mobile number, 0927-185-1590. But if you are living abroad, this number, again, 0927-185-1590 is also available on Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. Again, maraming salamat sa pagtutok, guys. We're at 1,300 plus na subscribers. Nandyan ako sa US on December 5 to January 11. Ang sure na state would be at Orlando, Florida, New York City, and Rochester, New York. But gagawin ko ng paraan para California tayo. And please, let me know. Baka naman pwede tayo mag face-to-face consultation if marami talaga tayong matutulungan with that specific state. Pwede ko kayong sadyain, guys. Maraming salamat ulit, guys. This has been Jaire Valerio Mamakla, your property geek, and have a happy weekend.